po ay talagang dumalaw lang sa inyong lugar. Kaya naman po para sa aking nag-iisang kanta, may isang request lang po ako. Pwede po ba ako mag-request sa inyo? Pwede nyo ba akong sabayan? Pwede po ba? Okay, song please play. Sabayan nyo ako ha. Malay nyo may sumabay din sa akin bigla. Sa end ng song. Can we play the music? I close my Sabayan niyo ako, guys! Little did I know. Go! Palakas po, please! Thank you! Swifties, let's go! See the light, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. Let's go! And I Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You will be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. One more time. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we're daddy than you. So close your eyes. Slow this down for a ride. Oh, oh, 'cause you were Romeo and I was Scarlet Letter. And my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you please don't go. Everybody! Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You will be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. Romeo, save me. They're trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid. We'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. Our favorite part! Sabay-sabay, ha? Ready? I've been waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know what to think. Now to the God that pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. Never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talked to your dad, got me out of white dress. It's a love story, baby. Just say oh, 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 oh. hello? Ayan. Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyo. Grabe. Masaya po ba kayong nandito ako? Pinaghintay ko po ba kayo? Sa susunod po ba, pababalikin niyo pa ako dito? Ay, wala po akong marinig. Pababalikin niyo po ba ako dito? Nang may kasama? Sige po, sa susunod may isasama ko. Sino kaya pwede? Sinong pwedeng isama? May masasuggest ba kayong tao? Sino? Ha? Si Seth? O sige po, next time dadalhin ko. Okay lang po ba yon? Pero bago po ako magpaalam, ang aking pasasalamatan, I don't want to make a mistake kagaya ng Tomorrow Times Together. Baka pagtawanan nyo na naman ako eh. Tomorrow by together. Tama? Tama? Okay. Kasi naman, bakit kasi ex? Joke lang. Okay, syempre po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Masaya po ako makita kayo dito at salamat sa mainit niyong pagtanggap. At maraming salamat din po kay Governor Eduardo B. Gadiano, kay Vice Governor Diana P. Gutayag at syempre maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin. Sana po ay patuloy natin suportahan ang tambalan ng ating Gov at Vice Governor. Hanggang sa muli, San Jose! Good night! I'm out!
Maraming salamat, Miss Francine Diaz! Palakpakan niyo naman po si Miss Francine! Grabe!
Grabe, kung nabitin kayo, bukas abangan nyo kaagad siya sa telebisyon.
Yes, di ba? Grabe, no? Grabe ang suporta ng Occidental Mindoro kay
Yes.
Miss Francine.
Oo naman, kasi lagi nilang pinapanood yan. Di ba sabi kanina, sinong isasama? Si Seth, isama daw.
Ayan. Nag-request pa nga ng mga isasama. Pero of course, we'd like to have back here once again si Miss Francine Diaz together with his on-screen partner, si Sir Seth Fedelin. Ayan.
Yes.